In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make funnel chart in Excel. A funnel chart is perfect for visualizing how values decrease across a process, like leads moving through a sales pipeline or the stages of a sign-up flow. By the end, you'll have a clear, professional chart that highlights where the biggest drop-offs occur. Start by clicking the data you want to visualize. Make sure your dataset is organized in two columns, one for the stage or category, and one for the number associated with that stage. It helps to include clear headers, like stage and count, and to avoid blank rows or subtotals in the middle of the range. If you're working in an Excel table, clicking anywhere inside the table is enough. Otherwise, drag to highlight the full range, including the headers. Double-check that your value column contains actual numbers, not text formatted as numbers, so the chart scales correctly. If you want the funnel to read from the largest stage at the top to the smallest at the bottom, arrange your rows in that order before you create the chart. The chart will mirror whatever order you choose in the data. With your range selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This is the home for all charting tools, and Excel will use the selection you made as the source for the chart. A quick tip: keeping your data selected before you open the Insert tab ensures you won't have to reassign the range later. Now, choose the Insert Funnel Chart option. Depending on your version of Excel, you'll find it directly in the Charts group or inside the Waterfall and other chart types menu. Click Funnel, and Excel will place a chart on your sheet using the stages and numbers you selected. You'll see wide bars at the top that narrow as values decrease, creating a clear, at-a-glance view of progression through your process. From here, you can refine the visual to make it easier to read. Give the chart a meaningful title that matches your process, and consider turning on data labels so each bar shows its value or percentage. If color matters for your audience, pick a palette that contrasts well from top to bottom. Keep labels short so they don't wrap awkwardly, and avoid clutter that competes with the message. If the order of the stages doesn't look right, simply reorder the rows in your source data, and the chart will update automatically. That's it. Select your data, go to Insert, and choose Funnel. With those three actions, you've built a focused chart that highlights where attention is needed in your pipeline.